Volkswagen agreed a 2-year wage deal for workers at its Western German factories Wednesday. The automaker has offered around 8.5% more pay. That's below inflation, which ran at 11.6% in Germany last month, but it's also above what other employers have agreed in recent weeks. The deal affects around 125,000 VW employees. Workers will receive a 5.2% wage hike from June next year, and another 3.3% from May 2024. They will also get a lump sum payment worth just over $3,000 after tax to help offset soaring inflation. Unions across Germany and Europe have demanded higher pay to give workers relief from record inflation. But a lot of employers have resisted this due to rising material and energy costs. In Italy, unions representing workers at carmaker Stellantis called for an 8.4% pay rise. The company called that heavy. Daimler Truck said earlier this month that unions were asking for an 8% raise, but mentioned that others in the industry were offering less.